No talk, guys. So we back with Goku with facing Nappa. So Nappa, he would have a hard time going up against Goku. He ain't landing no hits on him. He got the part. He went up to the sky, lost one of his strongest attack, and Goku, he just tanked it, bro. He just powered up and go, bah! That shit don't mean nothing. So that boy Nappa over here hating and shit. He like, all right, since I can't kill you, now I'm just gonna ahead and kill your little friend, your son. So he went after Krillin and Gohan and Goku. He like, oh no you don't, boy. He like, Kaioken! The power had spiked in Goku, and he had dashed towards him with his aura change to red, landing a mean lick off for Nappa and grabbing him back, holding him up. I think he tossed him to the ground or gently he tossed him to the ground. So yeah, that boy Vegeta didn't give a care about none of that. Goku wanted to be merciful and stuff, and Vegeta said, nah, I got it from here. Just giving Nappa a most excruciating death, bro. Man, Vegeta is ruthless.